Can you guys tell what I've changed here? Ready? Front lip, splitter, and side skirt. Everything else is exactly the same. So I updated the front lip. This is an Exceed lip that I got from Ryan at Rywire maybe about a year ago, and I finally decided to get it wrapped and install it on the car. Super good fitment on this lip. I mean, I didn't really do much trimming other than maybe filling up some of the little divots on the FRP, and it fits exactly like the OEM lip. Even all the fasteners fit the same, and the curvature and where it stops and starts is exactly like the ITRs. So I didn't really need to do much to install this other than add a little weather stripping right here to fill up the gap between the splitter itself and the lip itself, okay? Because you don't want a gap between your splitter and your lip because air goes through it and it kind of defeats the purpose of your front splitter. This is also an updated splitter that I got from Racebred. So if you guys want one of these, hit up Racebred, and the curvature on here is perfectly matched to the Exceed lip. This is a 2-inch version. I didn't want anything longer because this lip already sticks out more than the OEM factory Type R. And then I used the same, I don't know what people want to call this. I just call this a little gurney, I guess a gurney flap or spats. People really get pissed off when you call it spats, but I just call it that. And I just bolted this on the back right here with a couple of Allen bolts, and everything fits pretty good.